Hey guys, this is Syed Ashar Hussain Zaidi and I'm teaching you how to make best video thumbnail to get best video results in very low investment. So let's get started with our lecture. So first rule is text on the image should be below 20%. Next is no body showing image. Third one is moving image has more clicks. And fourth is relevant image for positive response. So we will be covering these 4 points in this lecture. So coming towards the first point, text below 20%. Now here is the best example of how we can add less than 20% text in our video thumbnail or in our picture. First of all, just look at the picture. You will see this is the text more than 20%, but we have used a trick here. The trick is we downloaded the logo of sale, the picture of sale from Google. And by that, now Facebook algorithm did not feel that it is text. They will feel that it is our logo or some image. So by this trick, we will not break 20% rule and we will add some text, because without text we cannot attract audience. So adding text is must. But we can use some tricks. This is one trick, like we can download a picture from Google, having written some text, but in the form of arts. So you can also use this trick and just check the picture. It is showing complete message that these are travel hand frees at 1200 rupees. So you just have to use this type of thumbnail with less than 20% text. So that is our first rule. Second is no body showing images. It means Facebook do not like that you use some images that are showing body of a male or female. For example, if you look at first image, it's showing a model wearing face mask. It is okay for Facebook because you are using a model, you are not doing any harassment. But in second image, you will see the lady, her clothing is not well, her body is showing. So this type of images are not good. Even Facebook can ban your ad account or your ad for using these images. So just take care of this type of images. Even if you want to use some models, but do care of their dressing, of their looks, that what message they are giving. And this is for the video thumbnail. In the video, you can use some kind of shorter dress models, but in the video thumbnail, you have to give a good message, because Facebook manually checks each and every thumbnail. So you have to take care of each and every step. Third point is moving images have more clicks. This means if a thumbnail has an image which looks like something is moving, then it creates curiosity in the people that what is happening in the image. So they will directly click on your ad, and how much people, the more people clicks on your ad, you will get best rate of investment, because Facebook system will feel that you are having some very good content, people are loving it, and that's why they will give you more audience and less price. So just check the picture, Alwani hair oil. It's a hair oil, but the picture looks like the lady is moving. She's moving the bottle, and that's why this picture gives more clicks as compared to simple picture. So try using some moving image with no body content and text below 20%. You will see here text is also 25 to 30%, but the logo does not came in text position because it's a picture. So Facebook will feel that there is only text in the bottom of the bottle. The logo is not in the text with blue sheet, because they just feel text is the one which is written in black or white. That's a trick. Now check this image. Relevant image for positive response. You have to kept a relevant image thumbnail to your video. For example, if you are selling product A, you cannot add product B in your video thumbnail. You have to put product A in your video thumbnail too. Because one thing is the relevant audience will come directly, and secondly it will give a positive impact, because when you use a fake thumbnail or a product in thumbnail which is not present in the video, then people will put bad comments in your video, and if they put bad comments on your video, Facebook system will detect those bad comments and decrease your audience. Or even they have another trick that if you are getting bad comments, they will give you less quantitative audience. For example, those who do not like to shopping, who are just using time pass, they will give you this audience, and they will give the best audience to those who are getting best comments, best relevant results, likes, shares. So This is relevant image for positive response. Now I will tell you how we can create best video thumbnail. There are three methods I usually use. First of all, Adobe Photoshop. Second is Canva.com. Third is Adobe Illustrator. The easiest and simplest one is Canva.com. So I will teach you here now that how we can make a best video thumbnail by using Canva.com. Now, first of all, come to Canva.com, C-A-N-V-A, Canva.com, and click here, create a design. Now, what we want to make, Facebook or YouTube video thumbnail. These are same. YouTube thumbnail, Facebook thumbnail, they are quite same. So if you make one thumbnail, you can use in both the channels, YouTube and Facebook. Just click on you. If in your Canva.com this does not appear, just write YouTube and it will appear in YouTube thumbnail option. Just click on it and it will redirect you to the Canva website where we can create the video thumbnail. Now from here you can use different samples. For example, let's take an example of like we want to create a video thumbnail for an ad of museum. Like there is a museum in USA, it's giving 20% off on Sundays. So we want to create a thumbnail for its video ad. So let's get started. First of all, you have to find best relevant image. You can select any image and it can edit later. So just click on any of the image which you like. For example, this is a bit relevant and serious image. Just click on the image. Now first of all, the background image is not fine, so you can change the background image from here. Just click on any of the image and it will appear in the background. But to remember, you just clicking on free. If you are clicking on paid, then you have to pay for the picture. So first of all, we start in the start. You just use free thumbnail. Then if you earn some money, then you can use some paid pictures too for your background. Now this picture is now the text is not relevant, so you can also do some transparency here. It's transparent. That's right. Color should be unique because it's a gem. %% off. The big museum. For example, the name is the Big Museum. So the Big Museum, 20% off, and we have to add one more text because the off is only on Sundays. So just click on subheading, mark a star, Sundays only. You can do anything with the text here. Canva is really easy and fun, so I recommend you to use the Canva for at least 1 to 2 hours. Try every step, try everything, try making some good pictures, because at the end of the day you will love it, inshallah. Sundays only. So now you will see our video thumbnail is ready, but it's not moving. But I've told you that we have to put a moving image in the background. So you can come to photos and find some museum stuff like museum. It will also give you some examples of art gallery, or whatever you want to use. Now this image is quite beautiful and moving. Yeah, that's nice. You just have to put some kind of, we have to put some, yeah, that's better. Now you will see our thumbnail is ready. Within 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, you made your video thumbnail for your video. Sundays only. You can also add your logos here. You can also add some more text because the text is less than 50%. Because check it out, it's in the box. So usually Facebook do not detect it. Even if Facebook detect it, you can just lower the size of the box or the size of the text, then it will come in below 20% rule. So after making it, after completing everything, just click on download button, and from here just click on download and the picture will be downloaded and you can use it in your Facebook thumbnail and YouTube thumbnail directly. So it's asking us that where should we download. Now here it is, we made best video thumbnail within minutes, and it's our own content. So if you use your own content, Facebook will give you best results. So within only some 3 to 4 minutes, you made your own video thumbnail from Canva.com. You can also use these tricks to make the thumbnail in Photoshop, etc. Thank you.